How's it going, guys? I'm back with another video. I have a Snap-on floodlight here I'm reviewing. And guys, again, if you have any questions or anything about my other videos or other tools I've put on, feel free to comment or just ask me anything pretty much. It's let's see. There's a 3500 lumen cordless floodlight from Snap-on. I've had it for about 8 months now, and I really like it. I used it in the shop and at home building things at night. I had some framework I had to do, and it worked out really well. Now it's got like 3 different settings on the light. You just hold the button, and it dims it. And it says it'll last up to like 50-hour runtime on the lowest setting, and then 2 hours on the brightest. I think I'm not sure how many settings it has, but if you hold it, it'll slightly dim to wherever you want it to, and you just let off and stop, and it'll be set at that brightness. Just hit it again and it turns off. I think this was around $200, maybe a little more, just for the light itself. The other thing, the batteries. It uses, what is this, 18 volt, I think, battery that you use with their impacts and other things like that. The battery's $200 by itself. I'm not sure if it comes with a charger. But you could buy sets with 2 batteries and a charger, but they're pretty expensive. But other than that, I am happy with it. It seems like it lasts pretty long, and you don't have to charge the battery. One thing nice about the battery, it's got the indicator, see how much charge it has and everything. And it's got ports on the side. You could charge a phone, whatever you want to do. Yeah, and it has some magnet attachment for a magnet, and you can put it on the side of your toolbox or anything metal. But I have enjoyed this light. It's came in handy. I usually just leave it in my truck now in case I need it while I'm out. But it has I do enjoy it. It swivels. I think it's got a little, I don't know if you could adjust that or anything, how tight it is. But I'm not sure if Snap-on warranties them or repairs them or anything like that. I'm sure it's a year repair like everything else, or a year warranty. Yeah, I'm sure it's a year warranty on it. But so far, I like everything about it. It seems durable. I don't know if it's waterproof or anything, but it seems pretty durable. And I've ran it for 8 hours on a medium setting, and it hasn't ran the battery down, so I really like it. I already had the battery, so when I bought it, I just bought the light, and it was around $200. Alright, thanks guys. If you have any questions about it or anything else on my videos, comment, hit like, subscribe. And I have a few videos I'll be uploading here very shortly, so come back. Alright, thanks.